Hey David, my name is Devin. I spoke to Amy a little earlier. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can quickly fix so you can start bringing in more customers right away. And I know you're wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners in the DFW area where I live that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bringing them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, a lot of business owners call me back and say, hey Devin, you know what, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. My goal is just to educate and help as many small business owners as I possibly can. I'm going to talk to you today about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to mention that I love the look of your website. This photo is super cool, really eye-catching. Your logo is super unique. The book online right at the top that scrolls with it is super smart. So as soon as someone decides they want to work with you, boom, book. It's a beautiful designed website. Unfortunately, Google doesn't care what your website looks like. What they mostly care about is this stuff right here, this content, what people can read, because their idea is if you have enough content on this page, you're going to keep customers on your page longer, which is better for Google. So the average website on Google, on the front page of Google, has about 2,000 words on the homepage, and what you currently have is 426. So you're definitely going to want to get about 4 times that amount, maybe closer to 5 times. If you look at your main competitor, Samm's Heating and AC, you scroll down, you can see right away, they have quite a bit more content. They don't have 2,000 words. We'll see what they're sitting at. Probably about 900, 1,000. There you go. So one of the big reasons they're out beating you is because they have that many words, but by getting yourself to the 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. You also want to make sure that inside of your content you have really high powerful or like really highly searched after keywords. And a keyword is just a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business. So like one that's really popular for your area is AC Repair Plano. And you don't even have the word AC Repair on your page. So it's going to be really hard for you to get found for that word. So you're going to want to make sure you put on like AC Repair Plano inside of your content. Like, you know, we provide the AC Repair Plano residents love. Something like that, and just fit in your content. So that's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other websites linking to your website. Keep in mind they do want to see relevant backlinks, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if they have if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to pay for it. There are a bunch of free tools out there that show you all this data. I just pay for it because it compiles everything together easily for me. And it shows that you have no websites linking to you whatsoever. It's one of the reasons why Google can't find you, and it's a really easy fix. So after you get your content done, what you want to do is you want to beat Samm's Heating and Air with the amount of websites that are linking to them. They have 148. I'd recommend getting yourself to about 175 websites linking to you. The best way to do this and the easiest way to do this is to copy them. Because if these websites linking to them will rank them, then they're obviously going to rank you too. So the best thing you want to do is just go look, and all these different websites that are linking to them, you visit these websites and you build that link back to you. Some of them you may have to create a profile and put a link to your homepage in the profile. Some of them you may have to click the Contact Us button. Some of them you may have to pay for them. But whatever they did to get these links, you have to do to get these links. And once you get these links and you beat them with content, that's how you take their organic spot. If you want to take this spot right here, you need to just pay higher and bid higher for your ads. The last place to show up and the best place to show up is right here. And as you see, Samm's is not only organic, they're also showing up here. To get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and White Pages and stuff like that. If I were you, I would figure out what directories SHR is sitting in. I'd put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150, I'd be putting myself in 250. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, David. I tried to keep this short and sweet and to the point for you. As a very quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to have about 175 websites linking to you so you can beat Samm's Heating and Air. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than SHR. And David, if you follow these 3 tips, you're going to be number 1 across all of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what do I do now? Well, you have 2 options. Well, really, my recommendation for you is to take this information and implement it as soon as possible, because the quicker that you rank up on Google, the quicker your website actually starts working for you and bringing you business, and people actually start seeing it so they can book online. That's my tip. If you don't want to do this stuff, but you do want to have more customers coming in, give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right, and I'll see if I can help you. And if I can't help you, I'll at least guide you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, David, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.